Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Iza Kristantape, and today I'm going to demonstrate about how to teach kids, especially about mathematics. So today I'm going to speak and to talk about addition of numbers. Okay, so hi kids, how are you? Okay, good. So today we are going to learn about addition of numbers. First of all, I want to ask who is already ever heard about this? Oh, okay. You already have ever heard about this one, right? Okay. So, what do you know? What do you know about addition of numbers? Mm. Mm. Okay. So, I say that it is right, but also it's not like it's not complete for me. Yeah, for me because why? Addition of numbers. So I can now I'm going to explain to you about addition of numbers. So addition of numbers is actually basically it's how we add numbers so that there's a new result, there's a new number. And is it really important for us to know about addition of numbers in our lives? Yes, it's very important because it's always used in our daily lives. So just example, if you have one apple in your home and then your mother buys for other apples from maybe from supermarket or something like that, you, how we can count like maybe we have five apples. I want to ask you now at home she brings those apples to home, so how many apples that we have now? Yes, that's right, six. So today we are going to learn about addition of numbers. So we are going to know about how actually much how many numbers that we how many numbers of something that we really want to know. And as I always show to you that in everything we have we can simplify anything. So today, how to add numbers in a simple way, so we can imagine that we have something that's our favorite. Maybe for me, because I really love to eat, so I want to make to imagine that I'm going to simplify this addition of numbers by using the imagination of myself by eating. So I would love to choose one kind of fruit that I really love, which is apple. So as example that I already told you that like for there is one apple plus five apple. Then how many apples do we have now? Yes, that's right, six apples. So six apples we have now in our home or maybe in our fridge or something like that. But this is actually a very simple number, right? But how if we have a very complicated number? Complicated number is actually is how is it like, right? So how is it like? Maybe I can say that for example, like 1,736 plus 200. Is there someone who already has your own idea about what is actually the result of this? Yeah, that's right. So 1,936, right? So you already know, but your friends still don't know, so you have to learn together, okay? So 1,736 plus 200. So 6 plus 0 is, no, it's not 0, it's 6, right? Yeah, 6. And 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 2 equals exactly 9. And then 1, because there's no number here, we can put it down here, and the result is 1,936. So if we can imagine, or I can imagine that if I have 1,736 apples at my home, or I don't know how many apples they are, and then I buy 200 more, I will have 100 and a 1,000 and then 136 apples at my home. And is it hard? No, it's not hard for me to definitely consume this all apples, because I love apples actually, but not, of course I will not eat these apples in a day, right? So this is actually the simple. But for you, what is actually your favorite food? You can imagine yourself what's your actually favorite food, and you can imagine that. You can imagine that? Oh, I will have so many foods at my home, and I will always eat every day, and that's very amazing. You know, that's absolutely amazing. So I hope that you guys are able to understand about what I'm explaining to you. And this is actually like a simple uh, example of mathematics. We're gonna learn so much about mathematics, but it is actually a simple one, but a simple one that we can learn. Okay, so thank you so much, kids, for today. I hope that what you learn today from our class, from our studying, hopefully it's able to be something that you will love, and will be able to memorize this. So thank you so much. Bye bye.